Hey, yo, what's going on with it? It's Stretchlexx. Getting to it like you should do it. I'm on a 90-day wolf right now, you know what I'm saying? But guess what? I'm about to cut this off and show you guys what this waves is looking like. Shout out to my man Coco Flair.
Yeah.
Hey
man, I'm about to get him right. I'm about to get him right. You know what I'm saying? I make sure I'm looking right too first. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, I had my boy pull up to the crib. I've been cutting his hair for a while. You know what I'm saying? It's my main motherfucking man, so he one of the only motherfuckers that can pull up to the crib and get this personal cut, man. We set up everything. We're gonna get everything popping. My boy been woofing.
Woofing
hard. Cut them waves down. We're gonna get his taper and shit right.
90-day wolf. Got the Torino Pro.
You know what I'm saying?
And another thing I wanted to say was, man, shout out to Top Wavers for following me on Instagram, man. That's real love. That's real respect. Shout out to Brush King. These brushes is cold. Shout out to my man Remix by Rico, man. He hooked me up with some do-rags, baby. Let's see what we got. Hey, that's my man right here. Remix by Rico, baby. Stretchlexx. I'm showing love, baby. I'm about to cut this 90-day wolf off. You know what I'm talking about? Shout out my man Coco Flair on the cut. My man Remix by Rico hooked me up with some do-rags, it looks like. It look like he got me the blue one. Look like I got, ooh, a baby blue one. He gave me a gold one. And a black with gold. Come on, man. Stop playing, man. Get in touch with Remix by Rico if you want some cold, silky do-rags, man. He done plugged your boy. Send me 4 of them things. You dig it? Right.
Yeah, man.
So we gonna cut this 90-day wolf off and we gonna see what's going on.
Ooh, look at him wave.
They in there? Will he cut it?
First cut.